Hi, I wanted to show you just a couple of things about the spreadsheet in case that's the method you choose to use. And this is one that I've already started, and I think I'm going to share it with you in case you wanted to look around in there. But you're going to select the cell. As soon as you move the cursor, it selects the cell, and you wanted to type something in there and to merge into a larger area because maybe the type is exceeding the space, and then maybe you want to surround it with a border, and then maybe you want to fill it with some color or shade it, and then you want to make it bold. Then you go over here, let's just say you'd like to center it, so then you're going to go to center. Let's just say you decide you want to make it into a bigger shape, so you're going to go to merge, and you don't like where it's sitting, so you can go and align it in the very middle of the box. And so now we need to make a new border, and here's how I've made my shape. So let's just say over here I want to have some type that is like so, and I want it to be lined up on the left, so I'm going to line it up on the left, but I want it to be in the center. And now let's just say I don't want to have to undo stuff, so I'm just going to pull something down, and you can see it kind of duplicates it, so I can just fix it up like so. And it allows you to do some things that are going to save you some time like that. So I'm going to merge all those cells. And then you also notice that she showed you some different ways to expedite. So if I select those two and I want it to automatically number, that's a pretty convenient thing to be able to do, so you don't have to hand enter. And here they are, and I think she said you could do, they haven't tried this before, you can do the same thing with the alphabet. So you're just going to select the two so it knows that it's already sequencing, and then you can pull it down like so. It's going to automatically repeat whatever you've got. So I'm going to go back and see what will happen if I put C, if it'll start doing the whole alphabet. I'm not really sure. And like so. No, just copying those. Anyways, those are some limitations, obviously. And that's one simple way to do some of the basics that are potentially interesting to you. And here you can see that I've got 8 o'clock, and this is representing a temperature, 10 o'clock and a temperature. And I've just randomly selected the different temperatures, and then I created a chart by just selecting and then inserting a chart, and then automatically takes the data and makes it into something cool. And then I just wanted to show you, in case you didn't understand the ramifications of those formulas, in week 7 I have hand entered these things here that are representing the hours, just like I had on the previous sheets. And right here I've got a formula that says, please add information from sheet 2, B5, and add it together with what I have on sheet 3, and so forth, all the way through, all the way to sheet 5, and it automatically gives me an answer 300. So I don't have to hand add anything, it automatically does this for us. And then here I have it as a formula, so B, all the totals that I have coming from the other sheets added up together, and then so B3, the cell, B3 divided by how many different days will give me an average of the temperature being 60 for an average of all those days at that hour, 8 o'clock. So those